So friend, last time we have seen this topic, that is normal form or canonical form. In previous video we have seen there are four types of normal form or canonical form. Now these are the type of normal form. First type of normal form, it is matrix IR. Second type of normal form, it is the row matrix IR0. Third type of normal form, this is the column matrix IR0. And the fourth type of normal form, that is matrix IR0, 0. So first of all, remember there are four types of normal form. First, it is matrix IR. Second, it is matrix IR0. Third, it is the column matrix IR0. And this is the fourth type of normal form, which is matrix IR0, 0. Where what is this I? I means the unit matrix of order R. Where what is this R? R, it is called the rank of the given matrix. So see, by using the normal form or canonical form method, we can also find the rank of the given matrix. Now see, what is this example? We are given the matrix A, and what is the example? Okay, reduce this matrix to the normal form or canonical form, and by using normal form or canonical form, we want to find out the rank of this given matrix A. Now see, how to reduce the given matrix to the normal form. We can reduce this matrix A to the normal form or canonical form by applying elementary row as well as column operation. See, what is the method? Just apply row as well as column operation on the given matrix A and reduce this matrix to either of the form, that is called the normal form or canonical form. Now see, this is the process for finding the normal form or canonical form. So what is that process? Okay, first of all, make first element 1. By using this one, make corresponding column 0 as well as corresponding row 0. See, what is the first step? First of all, make first entry 1. By using this one, make corresponding column 0, corresponding row 0. What is second step? Make this new entry 1. By using this one, make corresponding column 0 as well as corresponding row 0. What is the next step? Make new entry 1. By using this one, make corresponding column 0 and corresponding row 0. This is the technique for finding the normal form or canonical form. So see, this is the given example. We are given the matrix A, and we want to find out the rank of the given matrix by using the normal form or canonical form. Now this given matrix, this is of 3 by 4 order. 3 by 4 order. There are 3 rows and 4 columns. Now see, what is the first step? First of all, make first element as 1. So first of all, make this element as a 1. So we perform this elementary operation, perform interchange first and third row. If we interchange first and third row, so automatically this first position will be this 1. So write down this elementary operation, performing R13. So write down the transformation matrix. So this is, write down this third row, 1, 1, 1, 2. Write down this second row as it is 3, minus 3, 1, 2. And write down this first row, 2, 1, minus 3, minus 6. So see, this is the first step. Okay, first of all, make first element 1. Now by using this one, now make corresponding column 0. Now there are 2 elements. So make this 2 element as a 0. So note this, for these lower element always we use the row operation, and for this side element we use the column operation. So use now row operation, make this element as a 0 element. So perform R2 minus 3R1 and use this second elementary operation, that is R3 minus 2R1. So write down the equivalent matrix. So we get, now write down this first row as it is 1, 1, 1, 2. Now use this elementary operation R2 minus 3R1. Multiply first row by 3 and just take the subtraction. 3 and multiply by 3. So 3 minus 3, this is 0. Minus 3 and minus 3, which is minus 6. 1 minus 3, so this is minus 2. 2 minus 6, so this is minus 4. Now use this second elementary operation R3 minus 2R1. Just multiply first row by 2 and just take the subtraction from third row. 2 minus 2, this is 0. 1 minus 2, this is minus 1. Minus 3 minus 2, this is minus 5. And minus 6 and minus 4, so this is minus 10. Now what is the next step? By using this one, now make corresponding row 0. Now there are 3 elements. So for this side element, always we use the column operation. So first of all, remember this step. Okay, first of all, make first entry 1. By using 1, make corresponding column 0 and corresponding row 0. For corresponding column, we use the row operation, and for this side element, we use the column operation. So now use the column operation, make this element equal to 0 element. So this is the second column position, C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1, and C4 minus 2C1. So write down the equivalent matrix. Write down this first column as it is 1, 0, 0. C2 minus C1. So 1 minus this one, this is 0. Minus 6 and minus 0, this is minus 6. Minus 1 and minus 0, so this is minus 1. 1 minus 1, this is 0. Minus 2 minus 0, so this is minus 2. Minus 5 minus 0, so this is minus 5. 2 minus 2, this is 0. Minus 4 minus 0, so this is minus 4. And minus 10 and minus 0, so this is again the same entry, that is minus 10. So see, this is the first step. Okay, first of all, make first entry 1. By using this one, make corresponding column 0 and corresponding row 0. Now what is the next step? Make this new entry as 1. So make this element as a 1. So first we use this elementary operation, perform second row or interchange second and third row. So interchange second and third row. So what we get, this is, so this is the equivalent matrix. Write down this first row as it is 1, 0, 0, 0. Interchange this second and third row. So this is 0, minus 1, minus 5, minus 10. And this is the second row, 0, minus 6, minus 2. And this is minus 4. So we get here minus 1. We required the element as 1. So just multiply this second row by minus 1. So use this elementary operation, minus 1 times R2. So write down this transformation matrix. 1, 0, 0. Multiply second row by minus 1. So this is 0, 1, 5, 10, 0, minus 6, minus 2, and this is minus 4. Now see what is the next step. By using this one, now make corresponding column 0 as well as corresponding row 0. Now for this lower element, we use now the column operation. So use column operation R3 plus 6 times R2. So write down this equivalent matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 5 10 0 minus 6 plus 6, this is 0, just multiply second row by 6, minus 2 and plus 30, so this is 28, minus 4 and 60, so this is 56. Now by using this one, now make corresponding row 0. Now for this side element, we use the column operation. So this is the third column position. So this is C3 minus 5 times C2 and C4 minus 10 times C2. So write down this equivalent matrix. This is 1 0 0. Write down this second column 0 1 0 0 5 minus 5, this is 0, this 28 as it is, 0 10 minus 10, this is 0, and this 56 as it is. Now what is the next step? Now make this new entry equal to 1. So how to get this one? Just divide this third row by 28. So write down here 1 upon 28 times R3. Multiply this third row by, or divide this third row by 28, or multiply this third row by 1 upon 28. So write down this equivalent matrix. So this is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1, 28 upon 28, it is 1, and 56 upon 28, this is 2. Now there is no lower element, so make this entry equal to 0. So how to get this equal to 0? So just perform the column operation C4 minus 2 times C3. So write down this equivalent matrix. First column as it is 1 0 0. Second column as it is 0 1 0. Third column, this is 0 0 1. And what is the fourth column? This is 0 0. 2 minus 2. This is the 0. So see, this is the process for finding the normal form or canonical form. Now see what is the last step. Just separate unit matrix. Now this is the unit matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the unit matrix of order 3. So separate this unit matrix by taking some partition. So what is this form? There are two partitions. This first component contains the unit matrix of order 3. This is I3, unit matrix of order 3, and this second portion contains the 0 element. So this is our third type of normal form. There are four type of normal form. First normal form, it is the matrix IR. Second normal form, this is the row matrix IR 0. Third type of normal form, it is the column matrix IR 0, and this is the fourth type of normal form, which is matrix IR 0 0 0. So obviously this is the second type of normal form, which is matrix IR 0. So what is the rank of the given matrix? So right here, therefore rank of A is equal to 3. Now let us one more example. What is that example? To reduce the given matrix to the normal form or canonical form, and by using the normal form, let us find out the rank of the given matrix. So obviously what is the first step? First of all, make first entry 1. Now already there is 1. Now by using this one, now make corresponding column 0. Now there are two elements. So first of all, make these two elements equal to 0. So for this lower element, just use the column operation. So use this element equal to 0. So we perform R2 minus R1 and R3 minus 2R1. So write down this equivalent matrix. First row as it is 1, 2, 3, 2. 1 minus 1, this is 0. 2 minus 2, this is 0. 3 minus 3, this is 0. 4 minus 2, this is 2. 2 minus 2, this is 0. 6 minus 4, this is 2. 7 minus 6, this is 1. And 5 minus 4, so this is again 1. So see, this is the first step. Okay, first of all, make first entry 1. By using this one, make corresponding column 0. Now make corresponding row equal to 0. Now for this side element, now we use the column operation. So first of all, make this element equal to 0. So we use this column operation. C2 minus 2C1, C3 minus 3C1 and C4 minus 2C1. So this is the equivalent matrix. 1, 0, 0. 2 minus 2, this is 0, 0, 2. 3 minus 3, this is 0, 0, 1. 2 minus 2, this is 0. And write down this remaining element as it is, which is 2 and 1. Now what is the next step? Make this new entry equal to 1. So first of all, we interchange second and third row and then interchange second and fourth column. So use this elementary operation. First we interchange second and third row. So write down this equivalent matrix. 1, 0, 0, this is the first row. Now interchange second and third row. So this is 0, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2. Now we require here 1. Now interchange second and fourth column. So we use this elementary operation C24. So interchange second and fourth column. So write down the equivalent matrix. 1, 0, 0. Interchange second and fourth column. So this is 0, 1, 2. Write down this third column as it is 0, 1, 0. And write down this second column in fourth position. This is 0, 2, 0. Now what is the next step? By using this one, now make corresponding column 0 as well as corresponding row 0. Now make this element equal to 0. So for the lower element, we use the row operation. So this is R3 minus 2 times R2. So this is the equivalent matrix. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0. Now multiply this second row by 2 and just take the subtraction. 2 minus 2, this is 0. 0 minus 2, so this is minus 2. 0 minus 4, so this is minus 4. Now what is the next step? By using this one, now make corresponding column 0. So for the side element, we use the column operation. So use this column operation. C3 minus C2 and C4 minus 2C2. So write down this equivalent matrix. 1, 0, 0, it is the first column. 0, 1, 0, that is second column. 0, 1 minus 1, this is 0, this minus 2 as it is. 0, 2 minus 2, this is 0, and minus 4 as it is. Now what is the next step? Make this new entry equal to 1. So how to get this one? Just divide this third column by minus 2. So right here, minus 1/2 times third column C3. So write down the equivalent matrix. 1, 0, 0, it is the first column. 0, 1, 0, it is second column, and divide third column by minus 2. So this is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is minus 4. Now what is the last step? By using this one, now make corresponding column equal to 0. So make this element equal to 0. So for this side element we use the column operation. So right here the column operation C4 plus 4 times C3. So this is the equivalent matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and this is 0 0 minus 4 plus 4, this is 0. So see, this final matrix, it obviously contains just 1 0 element. So what is the next step? Just separate the unit matrix. So this is the unit matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the unit matrix of order 3. So just use this partition. So what is this form? This first component contains the unit matrix of order 3, and the second component contains the 0 element. So what is the rank of this matrix? This number represents the rank. So what is the rank of the given matrix? It is 3. So thank you for watching.